Alright, so we got the Loot Crate DX Cursed theme box for October. It's now December 1st. We just got it. So let's see here. Right off the bat, there's a shirt. It's a baseball tee. It's got Pennywise on it. The Dancing Clown. It's a pretty cool shirt, I suppose. Fun to wear for the Christmas holidays. Then, let's see what next. Thing is, this is Lootwear exclusive. Ooh, it's thick. Oh, it's a scarf. Okay. I guess. I think that's a mummy's eyeball. So it's a mummy. Adorable. Okay. Next. Edward Scissorhands Master Sculptor figurine. Also says it's a Loot Crate exclusive. What a good time to have scissors. Set it up for you guys. So it's very sad looking Edward Scissorhands, as he often is. And that doesn't have a little stand, so I guess it just sits there. There you go. Look at it. Look how sad he looks. Poor Edward Scissorhands. Just wanted regular hands. Just wanted regular hands. Okay, 2 more items in this box. Evil Dead 2 item, which is probably the main reason I bought the box. There's a keychain. Oh, cool! Okay, so I believe you put your key into the chainsaw, so it looks like your key part is the chainsaw, and then you got your boomstick, and it says Evil Dead 2 on it. It's pretty neat. Okay, that's cool. Alright, one more item is a Dark Souls 2 pin with skull, with the crown. He must be important, or was important, because now he's just a skull. So that's all the items that were in the box. Was it worth it? Was it worth waiting 2 months? I don't know, you decide. Maybe.